User story mapping is a powerful way to visualize the user journey. In this video, we'll show you how to build a map that keeps your team aligned and your customers happy. So what is user story mapping? It is a collaborative exercise where teams arrange user stories to create a logical representation of the entire user experience within a product or feature. Why should teams use user story mapping? It provides shared context, helps identify feature gaps early, improves release planning, and ensures the team stays focused on delivering actual user value. Let's look at user story mapping versus flat backlog. Unlike a flat backlog, which is a one-dimensional list, a story map adds the user journey, preventing you from losing the big picture. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into our step-by-step tutorial on how to create a user story map using Lucid's intuitive tools. The anatomy of a user story map includes the backbone of high-level activities that you can see here at the top, the skeleton of essential steps which sits below the backbone, and lastly, the body, which contains the detailed user stories and can be seen here in blue. A user in Lucidspark selects the Frame tool and types "the frequent traveler" at the top of a clean canvas. Next, map the backbone. These should represent the major activities a user performs, such as booking a flight or checking in. Now, break those activities into steps. Add a second row of sticky notes beneath the backbone to detail the specific actions required to complete each activity. How to prioritize stories in a user story map. Move the most critical stories to the top and use a horizontal line to separate your MVP from later releases. Watch out for common pitfalls with user story mapping, such as overcomplicating the map, ignoring the user persona, or forgetting to update the map as the project evolves. For best practices for running a remote user story mapping session, use Lucidspark's voting and timer features to keep everyone engaged and the session moving forward efficiently. User story mapping transforms your backlog into a roadmap for success. With Lucid, you can build, share, and iterate on your maps in real time. Thanks for watching.